Today we're going to figure out what the most foul animal behavior is.
So we're gonna go over 13 animals that we chose that we thought were foul.
Number 13. Blood squirting eyes? The greater shorthorn lizard squirts blood out of its eyes. Blood comes out from the eye sockets, splattering things up to 4 feet away. The blood comes from ducts in the corner of their eyes, and its purpose is to confuse predators. I mean, I would be pretty confused if my friends started squirting blood out of their eyes.
Number 12. Lynxes talking to each other. What is a lynx? A lynx is a type of cat, and if two male lynxes meet during a mating season, sometimes a screaming match can result. The only reason they're on this list is because of the screaming. Take a listen. Lynxes typically avoid people, but they fiercely defend themselves when they are cornered, or they may even attack a human if they feel threatened.
Number 11. Birds poop on themselves for a reason. Several species of birds keep cool by defecating on themselves. It's called urohydrosis, and it's how some birds like storks, condors, flamingos, and vultures keep cool. Maybe I should try urohydrosis sometime. That was a joke.
Number 10. Hyena cubs. Hyena cubs tend to play, but it almost always gets violent. This play fighting turns into a fight to see who's the superior cub.
So it seems it's come to this. Let's have a fight to the death to see who's the superior cub once and for all. On 3, 2, 1, go!
Yay, I win!
No!
Try this with your siblings.
Number 9. Killer whale. With a bite force of 19,000 psi, a swimming speed way faster than you can run, and a skill for fighting, what horrifying animal do you think it is? Well, you might have guessed from the title because it's an orca. They kill anything friendly in the sea, such as dolphins, penguins, sea turtles, and even other whales despise them. Wow, they're jerks.
Number 8. Sea cucumbers. Some sea cucumbers live in the deep ocean and some in the shallows, but all of them eat poop. They open their horrible little mouths and put the droppings in with a whole mess of tentacular tube feet. They vomit their intestines as a means of self-defense. Their ejected guts are meant to tangle up and frighten predators. Ew. Okay, we can cut that out.
Number 7. All hail the Rat King. Want to know something really rare? A Rat King. What is a Rat King? They're basically a whole bunch of rats that somehow got their tails tied in a knot. And since they aren't smart enough to untie their tails are stuck like that until they die. Their tails also tend to solidify with all the waste and substances. Yuck.
Number 6. Rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes are a dangerous animal, but what makes them more dangerous is that they can survive for at least an hour after being decapitated, and they can strike and inject venom into unsuspecting humans. So stay away from dead rattlesnakes, but especially ones that are alive.
Number 5. Koalas. Koalas are so cute, right? They only have one opening through which to pee, defecate, and reproduce. Another fact is that baby koalas can't digest the poison in eucalyptus leaves, which is the only thing that they can eat. The only way a baby koala can survive is by eating their mother's feces.
Number 4. Bored ducks become cannibals. So here's a hypothetical. Say that you're bored, what would you do? If you said to come by a friend's house, kill their babies, then eat them, congratulations, you might be a duck. A description of what might happen when a duck is bored is that it would crack open an egg and bite down on the fully formed chick within. We thought it might be too graphic to show this happening in real life, so here's a family-friendly version with Daffy Duck.
Number 3. Lorises. Lorises are Southeast Asian forest primates. They have flesh-rotting venom from oozing glands in their armpits. A recent study found that 1 in 5 slow lorises, which is another type of loris, has a recent bite from a peer, and many had half-rotten ears, toes, or faces.
Number 2. No one is prepared for the hagfish slime. Hagfish are oddly shaped, slime-producing marine fish that suffocate their prey, or predators, with slime. They produce tons of slime that is inedible and sticky.
Number 1. Flies. Literally everything about them is nasty. To begin, they eat feces, roll around in it, and when flies drop down on your food, they don't just put their disgusting feet on it, they puke on it. Hooray! The reason they throw up onto your food is so that they can cover it in digestive fluids that dissolve it down to a soup-like substance that they can suck through their straw-shaped tongue. I hope you learned some interesting behaviors.
Some interesting behaviors.
Make sure that you like and subscribe. See ya.
Bye. What do you think? We can do it again or no?
I heard that mute button.